Hello again, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys, and right now I'm just going to give you a little tour of what you're going to see when you come into the Inspired Keys Academy. So first up, you will get a link that will take you to the member area, as you can see on the screen. And I'm just going to talk you through real quick what are some of these forums. First up, you've got courses, and in a minute I'm going to show you everything that goes on in here. General discussion is where a lot of the discussion takes place, but we have moved to a private members-only Facebook group, which is where more people can access discussions more quickly and easily. And I'll show that to you in a minute as well. Get feedback here is a place where you could post your videos or audio recordings to get feedback on the way you play, but you could also do that on the Facebook group because Facebook is generally more accessible to more people, and also more people are able to be notified when you do post something up there. And if you are looking for handouts, this is the place to go. Recorded member calls are where calls that were made with members previously were recorded, and you could access those recordings and you can learn from all the calls that were made previously. You could come in here to request a training course. You could view specific and slowed keyboard view videos over here. You could access your 31 Days to Better Worship Keyboard Playing ebook by clicking here. And here is also where you can go into your membership account to change your password or upgrade or cancel your membership. I will now take you through the courses. I'm just going to give you a quick overview. As you can see, all of the topics are categorized right here, so it's very easy to find based on the topics that you're looking for, what you're trying to learn. And if you can't find anything, you could also come here to search within the forums. And if you also can't find what you're looking for, you can contact me via the Facebook group or send me an email using the contact list above, and you will be able to ask me where things are, and I'll be very happy to point them out to you. And of course, you get access to the members only closed group, members only Facebook group. And as you can see here, members are free to leave questions, and other members are very welcome to leave comments to help each other. And you can see that the discussions go on here quite freely. Basically, this is where the bulk of the discussions take place. Once you've joined the Academy, you could also book me for a one-on-one member call, and you could ask any Worship Keys questions that you have, and we could get to really know each other, and I could hear you out a little bit better. And to do that, you can book that session using this link. So here's just a quick glance sneak preview of what it's like. You could book a session using this link that I will send you, and you could click a slot that you're available and confirm that, and we could book a member call together. And I think that's going to be a really helpful time for us to really get to know what are the ways that you can have a really good and fulfilling time in the Inspired Keys Academy. So I really hope that you find this little tour helpful, and if you have further questions, I'll be most happy to take you through and answer any questions you have. So I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the Academy.